stop, collaborate, and listen. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath split-level home in the heart of Commack on a beautiful and quiet tree-lined street. Walk into a nice and open living room with gorgeous hardwood floors opening up to your updated kitchen with wood shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and of course, gas cooking. This light and airy home features 4 floors with a master bedroom, full bath, and second bedroom on the second floor. Easily can fit a king-size bed and plenty of room for activities. Make your way downstairs to your amazing family room with barnwood accent walls, fully redone half bath, and your 3rd bedroom. Think your garage isn't enough room for your storage or need a place to throw your kids' toys? Well, make your way to the basement where you have plenty of space to finish into the ultimate man cave or kids' playroom. You'll also find your laundry and utility room. And just when you thought this house was done, you make your way into the 4 Seasons room. Brand new from the ground up 2 years ago, featuring brand new electric, heat, windows, you name it, it was done. Speak about having the kids outside in the backyard and sitting back with a cocktail all year round. Super private and well manicured backyard, perfect for practicing your wedge for the next time you shoot 18. And when the summer days are 100 degrees, you could imagine having the ultimate in-ground pool. This backyard has plenty of room for anything you want.
Man, can you picture yourself swimming in an in-ground pool right here? Ultimate backyard oasis. You need to check out this open house this weekend. Don't miss it.